Okay, I am trying out this little robot here. One of the worst chores I have is doing windows because I have so many of them. But and I'm short. I'm just I'm only 5'2", so getting some of these windows is hard. I will tell you that this is the second time that I have done this door. First time it left streaks, something awful. I come to realize that don't be cheap with the pads. Now they give you 6 different sets, not just 6 pads, 6 sets to to put on your machine. So don't try to use them and not change them out. I thought I could do the inside and the outside and I'd be fine, but that was not the case. So I have new pads on now. I will say that I feel like this machine is about a year or 2 behind the times. If it were cordless, I would say, wow, we really got something here. But it's not. So you have to find a place to plug this in. And if you want to do this on the 2nd floor, and if your windows don't open out, you're kind of messed up, you know. So I'm not quite sure. $197.10 is an awful lot of money for this little thing. But you know, it does have a $50 coupon. I hope that stays there because that makes it more worthwhile. But if it were to be able to spray some fluid onto the, you know, cleaning fluid, window washing fluid onto the window, I would really like that too. As it stands now, it says to take the pads off and run them under water and wring them out really well and then put them back on. Or you can spray your regular cleaning fluid on four pumps with this little thing. I'm afraid I had to do like 12 on each one of the pads to get it wet enough for me to do this. Now you can see here, this one here is kind of like unnecessary for me. It is the safety cord, but I don't have anything for it to attach to, so if it were to fall, to catch it, quite frankly, it's just going to fall. Now, the cord is very, very, very long. I mean, it's very, very, very long. So it can go some distance. Now, I think that if you had those big, tall windows, you know, one of those big fancy houses with those tall windows, and I know that's quite pricey to get cleaned, and you know, I don't care how much money you got. That's a lot of money to spend, period, to get those windows cleaned. Much less dangerous if you try to do it yourself. So this would be an awesome little machine to do that. Just once up on the step ladder and then down. And I'll show you real quick on this button right here. Watch. That button, now it's just suction cupped to my window. It's not doing anything. Oh, hold on. Kitty, you want out? Oh. Go on out, cat. There you go. You hit it again, and it goes. Now it also comes with a handy dandy little remote control, but I've already got it all programmed and I'm afraid to kind of mess it up. I want to get this window done. Once it's done, if I'm still recording, I doubt I am, but I will go ahead and show you guys how that works. So, but yeah, I don't know. Now, it seems to do a really nice job. My windows are really clean now, but it's just a matter of keeping those pads clean. And silly me for thinking that I could scrimp and save. That's not what you want to do with this thing, okay? Alright, I'm going to do every window in this house. I'm going to do inside and outside, and I'm going to tell you how things go. I'll take pictures as I go so you guys can see every step of the way. Because this is a lot of money for a luxury play item, supposedly to help you get your, you know, some of your housework done. I'm also going to try it on my car, my windshield, inside and out. I'm going to see what it does, because that is the bane of my existence. Okay, well, I'm going to get off here, and I'm going to get finished up with this window, and I'm going to move on, and I'll take some pictures as I go. I'll report back any changes or thoughts that I have on it. But like I said, I think this is a couple years behind its time. It should be cordless.